In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clean the mass airflow sensor in a 2016 Scion IM. I just replaced the engine air filter, so usually when I do that I like to give the mass airflow sensor a quick cleaning, and today I'll be showing you how to do that. First thing you want to do is disconnect the electrical connector to it, like so. The next step will be removing these two Phillip head screws. Next step is to remove the whole entire mass airflow sensor, like so. We will be cleaning this little sensor right here and pretty much the majority of the sensor itself, and just give it a good cleaning. I will be using CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. Next, you'll want to get the hot wires that are on top in there. Alrighty, I let it sit for 30 minutes. 30 minutes should be plenty to have it fully air dry, and now we will be putting it back in. Alright, so when you push it in, it doesn't go in all the way, so you want to apply a little bit of pressure and then it seats fully in, and then it'll line up with the two holes. Take the first screw and then finger thread them in. Alright, the last step is to plug back in the electrical connector, and you should hear a click when it's fully seated. Alrighty, and then you're all set. And that is how you clean the mass airflow sensor in a 2016 Scion IM.